Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're gonna talk about how to fix screen is flickering while playing in game windows and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So first thing what you have to do is just have to follow the instruction. You just have to go over here and you have to search for devmgmt.msc. You have to search for this one and go over here. And right now, as you can see, if you go over here, there is an option called display adapter, so you have to expand this one and we'll be getting your dedicated GP. So you just have to right click and go for update drivers, go for search automatically for drivers, and make sure that you are on the latest version of the drivers. After trying this out, if it's still not working, then we just have to move to the next one. Next one is just have to go over here and you have to navigate to settings. Now from here in the settings, you just have to click on display, and from here what you have to do is you just have to make sure the resolution as well as the scale. As you can see, the display resolution should be 19201020, which is recommended, as well as the scale should be 100%. And if you navigate to the advanced display, you just have to click on this one, and over here make sure the choose a refresh rate. So make sure the appropriate refresh rate and make sure the same. And even after trying all these things, making sure this, you just have to close this and restart a PC, and most probably this should be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.